If you're not refinancing the loan because your property is underwater, if you are not modifying your loan because the terms are not affordable to you or your family, you can try to short sale the property. If you're going to short sell the property, you are hopeful that you can find a buyer and sell the property short of what you owe on it. There are two complications with that. If you sell it short of what you owe on it, the IRS can potentially look at that as a financial gain and issue you a 1099 by the lender. Generally speaking, that will not occur if it is your homestead property. If it is a rental property, there is a very, very big likelihood that you will have a 1099 entered against you from the lender. At some point, the IRS will consider that profit or income of which you may be responsible for taxes. In a short sale, if you are able to find a buyer and negotiate with the lender to accept the deal that's been offered to buy your property, one of the main values in that process is to negotiate with the lender to waive the deficiency balance that would occur from the sale of that property. For instance, you have a piece of property that you owe $200,000 on. You are offered $150,000 by a buyer. The lender accepts the $150,000 offer. That is $50,000 short of what you owe on the property. It is that $50,000 that is referred to as the deficiency balance. If you are short selling a property, it is your main objective to have the lender waive that deficiency balance. If not, you run a serious risk of them coming after that deficiency at some point down the road. Also, if you waive that deficiency balance on a homesteaded property, it's not overly concerning that you will be 1099. Under the present rules, you will not be. However, just because they waive the deficiency balance with your lender on a rental property does not mean that the IRS will overlook it as gross income. So there is a distinction between homesteaded property and rental property.